Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is easily one of the best phonics board games available for young learners, the Junior Learning Phonics board game set. Designed for children ages 4 to 5, this game is perfect for building essential language skills for preschool and kindergarten students. From the moment you open the box, you'll notice the vibrant, double-sided game boards that instantly grab a child's attention. Each side offers different activities that target critical phonics skills, such as beginning sounds, middle sounds, final sounds, and digraphs. The colorful illustrations help engage kids and make the learning experience visually stimulating and fun. One of the key features of this set is the spinner, which adds an exciting element of chance to the game. Players spin to determine their moves, which keeps the gameplay dynamic and encourages turn-taking and social interaction. The spinner also guides children in constructing words by sounding out their different parts, turning phonics practice into an adventure. The game comes with 6 counters, making it suitable for anywhere from 2 to 6 players. This flexibility allows it to work well both in classroom environments and at home with family or friends. It's a wonderful way to combine play and learning, promoting cooperative play alongside phonics development. Another thoughtful addition is the answer sheet that comes with the game. This allows children to self-correct as they play, fostering independence and building confidence in their reading abilities. Encouraging kids to check their own work supports their learning and helps them feel accomplished as they progress. The size of the game boards is medium, making them easy to handle and store, yet large enough to comfortably accommodate young players during playtime. The overall quality of the materials is solid, with durable boards and counters that can withstand repeated use. This phonics board game is structured in a way that aligns well with early childhood education standards. By focusing on sounds in words, from the beginning and middle to the end, it supports foundational reading skills critical for success in school. Plus, it introduces the concept of digraphs, which are 2 letters combined to make one sound, adding an extra layer of phonics learning in an accessible way. What makes this game especially appealing is its versatility. It's designed for preschoolers and kindergarteners but can be adapted for a variety of skill levels within that range. This means kids can continue to enjoy and benefit from it as their phonics skills improve. Parents and educators alike will appreciate how this game makes phonics approachable and fun. The interactive nature encourages repeated play, which reinforces learning naturally over time without feeling like a chore. This is a key factor when it comes to maintaining young children's interest in educational activities. To summarize, the Junior Learning Phonics board game set is a well-crafted, engaging, and educational tool that supports early literacy development through play. Its thoughtful design, interactive gameplay, and adaptability make it a standout choice for helping children develop crucial reading skills in a fun and social way. If you're looking for a phonics game that combines learning and entertainment seamlessly, this set is definitely worth considering. It's an investment in your child's foundational language skills that can make a big difference in their early reading journey. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful product breakdowns. See you next time.